Are you tired of putting in hours of work on your YouTube videos without seeing the return on your investment? Well, you're not alone. Many of us content creators spend up to 2 years before we are actually monetized by YouTube. Well, you're in luck today because we have the solution to that challenge. Today, you're going to be learning what Skimlinks is and how it actually works. You're also going to be getting a step-by-step instructional guide as to how to set up your Skimlink links on your YouTube channel. And also you're going to be getting effective strategies in order to utilize this for your affiliate marketing program. Now stay tuned at the end of this video as well, because I'm going to be giving you some bonus tips and tricks as to how to increase the video views and engagement for your content. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the Next Level Life Hacks, where we take the next steps needed to grow towards our financial freedom and our success. Now, thank you for clicking on this video. I promise to make it valuable to you, so let's get started. Now, what exactly is Skimlinks? Now, Skimlinks is revolutionary, and that's why I say all you have to do is give things time, because as time progresses, as artificial intelligence improves, and as technology in general improves, we're going to be finding things that will make life easier for us. Now, just like myself, I'm not yet monetized on this channel, and I have put in countless hours into research, expenses on lighting, on microphone, and also the time that it spends to actually record and edit these videos without any sign of being monetized. But hey, it's something that I like to do, but the vision at the end of the game is to actually be monetized so I can have passive residual income. Now, until that time comes, and for some persons it can be up to 2 years, it would be good and motivational if we had some income coming in. Because as I mentioned, there is some amount of expense that comes along. So hey, if we can have a return on this investment before YouTube actually monetizes us, then why not? Now, what exactly is Skimlinks? Because I promised you that I'm going to be giving you a detailed outline and description so that you can be better educated about this revolutionary new platform. Now, this video and its content is not sponsored by Skimlinks. I have just found something that can make life easier for you in terms of the affiliate program, so I want to share it. So, no strings attached here. Now, basically, Skimlinks is a global affiliate marketing program that does an excellent job with connecting creators to several other affiliate programs all through one platform. So it saves you the time and hassle of having to sign up on different and various platforms by just streamlining everything through one sign-in, one platform, one monitoring system. Now, they have over 48,000 suppliers on this program, which once you sign up once, then you just choose whichever products or services you want to advertise from various companies or other platforms and streamline them through this one attachment, one extension. Now, let's walk through the process of signing up for Skimlinks. And don't worry, I'm going to be having the links to the website in my description box below, so do not worry, it will be there for you to check out. As a matter of fact, if it is that you have heard of or never heard of Skimlinks before, put it in the comment box below so at least I know that I'm doing this work and it has something new for you. Or if it is that you have used it before, I am not afraid to take advice or to take additional information. So put in it what you have learned as well from the program if you have signed up before. Now, you're going to go to the Skimlinks website and you're going to create a free Skimlinks account. And this is another thing that I like about it. It is free. All right. Anything free we can utilize to make money is worth the investment. Now, your second step is that you're going to install the Skimlinks plugin. Now, one thing I must point out here is that you must have a platform to connect the Skimlinks to once it is that you are signing up for the account. They must know that you have somewhere that you're going to be advertising the products. Not to worry. It does not have to be a platform that has several thousands or hundreds of followers. They just want to know that you have somewhere existing that you can advertise through. And it makes sense. So you just connect whatever website, if it is a blogging post that you do, or if it is a YouTube channel, just place the link there when you are putting through the application. Not to worry as well, it's not a one-time done deal as to the platform. You can add different sites or platforms after the application process to the account. The next thing that I must advise you of is that sometimes it is not an automatic process. When I was doing mine, it told me that I would get a response in up to 3 business days. So if you see that, not to worry. To be forewarned is to be forearmed, so you know to expect this. And once you're approved, that's it. You can start putting your link whenever you advertise any product or service across your platform. It is as easy as that. Now let's go through quickly what are the benefits of Skimlinks, and you're going to be really amazed. Now, as I mentioned before, it saves you immense time so that you can focus on creating your content. So you can continue writing your blogs or creating your YouTube channel content, all while Skimlinks does the work for you on the different platforms. Also, applying to the different platforms can be time consuming and you can be denied by some of them, especially based on where you reside, or it can depend on the number of followers that you have, but that's not the requirement for Skimlinks. The other benefit here is that there has been instances where Skimlinks has been able to negotiate a higher commission rate from the different platforms than if you were to apply to them individually. So you could be increasing your earnings through Skimlinks. The other benefit is that because Skimlinks organizes everything in their one platform, you basically have a hub to monitor and to reconcile all the different platforms that you have been registered in their affiliate program. So instead of having different platforms that you have to sign into, go to their back office, go through the analytics, go through the earnings, reconcile. No, everything is available on one dashboard, one back office in Skimlinks, which makes the process easier to manage. Let's also look at the payments. They consolidate all the payments into one payment to your banking account or whichever system you choose to get paid through. So therefore, you can easily get a lump sum than getting transactions coming from various places. I know that some banking institutions as well take exception to different amounts coming in from various suppliers or vendors to your bank account, and they might flag your account. Chase especially is typical for that. So at least when the payments are lump summed through Skimlinks, you can avoid these hassles and having maybe your account being flagged or for it to be suspended or paused. Now bear in mind that Skimlinks will pay you probably 60 to 90 days after it is that you have accumulated or you have earned the commission. And this is rational as well, and I can't fight it too much because they have to be taken into consideration if there are returns or complaints against the products that have been purchased. So say for example on Amazon, if someone purchases an item and then they return it for some reason that they are not satisfied with it, then at least you will not be going through the process of getting paid and then having a chargeback on your account. Sufficient time is given so that there are no returns, or even if there are returns, the commission that you are getting is net all of those different issues. The other excellent benefit of Skimlinks is that I have known of persons who have tried to apply to different affiliate programs, but depending on certain things like their number of followers or where they reside in the world, they might be blocked. Take for example Sephora. Most persons, if you are not residing within the United States, then you can be blocked from becoming a member of their affiliate program. While that is not the case with Skimlinks, automatic approval for the over 48,000 suppliers, so it makes the approval process much easier. So hey, you can get this side hustle on from anywhere in the world, not only if you reside in the United States. Now, what are the tips and tricks of maximizing your earnings through Skimlinks? It's going to be based on how you advertise and how you create your content. One thing I always advise is do not just go being an affiliate or attaching links for every product out there, because remember, you have a reputation to maintain and you have to maintain the trust of your followers. So say for example me here, I am not going to be advertising or promoting or becoming an affiliate member for a product that I do not have confidence in. I would have to say maybe use it, read the reviews of it, and be impressed or confident in that item so that I can then recommend it to you, my hackers. Hackers, that's a good name for you. The channel's name is Next Level Life Hacks. So we are getting hacks for life to become successful. So hey, we are hackers, and hey, this is one very major hack in getting monetized for our content. So hey, as I said, be confident in the products that you're advertising so that you can maintain the trust of your followers. Now, to get the value out of this, I would implement and use the SEO, search engine optimization, as well as using keywords in my content so that persons, while they are searching for maybe the product or services, that they can be led to your content and then get to click on your links. So that is one sure way that you can maximize the links from the Skimlinks. Now, I kind of touched on this before, but how do you get paid? Now, your payments are consolidated. As I mentioned, it's roughly 60 to 90 days after you earn the commission. So say, for example, you earn commission in January. That commission is going to be paid to you, say, March or April. As I said, it gives them some time to reconcile and give you a net payment of the commission. The other thing is that at the time of making this video, and you can correct me if you know otherwise, the payments are made through PayPal or through bank transfers, or what they call ACH. Now, being paid by PayPal opens up the market for you persons residing outside of the United States, because though you might not be able to have a US bank account, or I'm not sure if they would pay to banks outside of the United States, but at the time of making this video and at the time of my knowledge, you can get a PayPal account from most places outside of the United States. So this is beneficial for you to get paid. Now, at the time of making this video as well, there is a threshold for the payment level. So I think PayPal at the time, it is $10 threshold that you have to reach before they will make a payment. And for your bank transfers, it might depend on the region that you are in, that it will depend on what that threshold is. But most time there will be a threshold for the payments to be made. The other excellent thing about Skimlinks is that it pays out in the currency in which you reside in. Now, yes, you might want to get paid in US dollars, depending on where you are. However, you are not restricted or limited to getting paid in US dollars. However, bear in mind that there might be a conversion fee for the currency that you want to get paid in. And just like that, my friends, we have hacked the system of YouTube of not waiting until they monetize us, or not waiting to get thousands of followers to get on the affiliate programs of some places, but actually we can start getting paid from day one of creating our content. Now, for especially persons who have like tech channels that you do those ratings and comparisons of different gadgets and innovations, this is an excellent way that you can earn from the affiliate program. Just place the links in your description box and quite casually mention them throughout your content. So hey, while we do all this work to create this content and build towards getting the amount of viewers and to get the amount of subscribers that is needed to be monetized, let's start getting a return on this investment. Now, as usual, my friends, or change that. Now, as usual, my hackers, if you have found at least one thing, one hack to be beneficial in this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this content so that we can grow towards being monetized by YouTube. But hey, I can now start earning from Skimlinks. See you in the next video.